What's good, everybody? This is Exodus. I'm coming at you from Kansas City at the Break Center, the best place to learn breaking from a real b-boy. Today, this is breaking in 1 minute, and I'm gonna teach you some Toprock steps. Let's go! And that's how you do some Toprock steps.